Hello and welcome back to RumShopBoy. When you think of rum, you probably think of countries like Jamaica, Barbados, Cuba, or Guyana. But rum is made all over the world. In fact, some fantastic budget rums come from countries that many people never associate with rum at all. So today I'm sharing 5 bottles that prove great rum isn't limited to the Caribbean. Let's take a trip around the world. We begin in the Philippines. Many people don't realize that the Philippines is actually one of the world's biggest rum producing nations. Tanduay has been making rum for well over a century and is hugely popular throughout Asia. The double rum offers notes of vanilla, caramel, tropical fruit and gentle spice, making it an approachable and excellent value bottle. There are around 19 grams a litre of added sugars, meaning around 13.5 grams in this bottle. If you've never tried Filipino rum, this is a great place to start. Next, we're heading to Scotland. Yes, Scotland, better known for whiskey than rum. But Ninefold is producing some excellent and exciting spirits. Their pure single rum is made from scratch using traditional methods, and it shows just how good modern British rum can be. Expect fresh cane character, fruit and spice with excellent balance. It's proof that Scotland can make more than just great whiskey. Now we're travelling to Guadeloupe. If you think all rum tastes sweet, rich and full of vanilla, Damoiseau Blanc will completely change your perspective. Produced in Guadeloupe from fresh sugarcane juice rather than molasses, this is an unaged rum agricole and bottled at 50% ABV. That gives it a wonderfully fresh and vibrant character that's very different from most people's idea of rum. On the nose you'll find fresh cut grass, sugarcane, citrus and tropical fruit with a slightly peppery edge. On the palate it's bright, clean and full of grassy herbal notes, alongside lime, white pepper and a gentle natural sweetness from the cane itself. It also makes fantastic daiquiris and tea punches. If you want to experience a completely different side of rum, this bottle is well worth trying. Our next stop is Réunion Island in the Indian Ocean. It's another place that many people never associate with rum. Rivière du Mât offers notes of vanilla, oak, spice and dried fruit, with plenty of character for the price. It's another reminder that excellent rum can come from almost anywhere sugarcane is grown. Now we're heading to Belize. Now Belize may not be the first country that comes to mind when you think of rum, but it has a long history of producing excellent spirits from locally grown sugarcane. The Ruta Blanco is an unaged white rum. It's bottled at 40% ABV and it offers a clean, fresh and approachable style. On the nose, expect sugarcane, vanilla, light citrus and a touch of pepper. The palate is smooth with gentle cane sweetness, soft tropical fruit, a little coconut and subtle spice, before finishing clean and crisp. This isn't a big funky Jamaican rum or a grassy rum agricole. Instead, it's an easy drinking, versatile white rum. It's perfect for daiquiris, mojitos, and other classic cocktails. If you've never explored rum from Belize, Ruta Blanco is a great place to start. So there you have it. 5 budget rums from countries you probably didn't expect. Have you tried any of them? And are there any surprising rum producing countries that deserve more attention? Let me know down in the comments If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of my budget rum series. Thanks for watching, and remember, drink more rum!